Hi everyone, I hope you're well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to line a bag. So I will be lining this bag. I will be linking how to make this crochet bag in the description box. So it's very easy to line a bag and I'm just going to jump right into the tutorial. For this project you will be needing some fabric, so I will be using some cotton yarn. You will be using a pair of scissors, some pins, a needle, as well as some thread. So what you are going to be doing is take your fabric and fold it in half like so, and basically once you've done that you will be placing your bag on top like this, and this will count as your bottom seam. And what you will be doing is drawing around your bag like this. So I hope you can see, leaving a bit, maybe half a centimeter, just like so. So draw around your bag, and obviously we're gonna close this and go like that. So just draw a line, and this will be what you will be cutting out. We've left a bit of space for the seams already with that half centimeter, so just go ahead and cut this fabric like so and cut it this way. And this way. You will be taking your needle and threading your needle, and once you've done that, I'm just going to hand sew it because it's such a small bag, it's so much quicker. So just go ahead and pop your needle through and go in and out like so. Just go in and out. So like I said, just leaving a half centimeter that we've left, and just go to just do that on both sides, and just leave maybe up to here, and leave this unsewn because we will be using that to fold into our bag. Okay, so I've just seamed both sides, and now I'm just going to take my crochet bag. We're not going to turn this inside out because obviously this is the side that you want to see in the bag. We are just going to be popping this liner inside the bag like so, and just make sure it's lined perfectly at the bottom and in the corners. Just go inside the liner and check everything's okay. Just do the same again. Just make sure it's all right. And now we are just going to be seaming the project to the bag. So basically, I hope you can see properly, this is our crochet bag and this is the seam, and you're just gonna turn this seam like so. So there we go. So we've just turned this maybe half a centimeter, and we're just gonna pin it. So just go ahead and pin your liner all the way around using your pins. So here we go, I've pinned my project all around so it looks like this, and I'm just going to take my needle that I've threaded, and I'm just going to go inside the first corner here and pop my thread inside the bag. You are just going to be going all the way around, lining your fabric gently with your thread going in and out of your bag, and just like this, making your stitch as pretty as you possibly can. And there we go. And just go all the way around, and once you've done that, just secure your thread and you'll be good to go. And this is how I line my crochet bag. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, there will be a crochet video out every week as always. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.